welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Interior garden scene featuring a modern aesthetic, showcasing a softly lit space with an elegant staircase in the background. Lush green foliage surrounds a vibrant array of flowers, particularly bright orange and purple blooms, creating a striking contrast against dark volcanic rocks and smooth black pebbles. The setting is tranquil and harmonious, emphasizing natural elements, with dappled sunlight filtering through a large window, casting gentle shadows. Pathways of rectangular slate stones lead through the garden, enhancing the contemporary feel. A serene outdoor living space nestled within lush greenery, featuring a modern wooden deck that extends over a tranquil pond. The architecture is a blend of contemporary and natural elements, with large glass panels allowing sunlight to filter through, illuminating the cozy seating area adorned with soft cushions. The scene is rich with tropical plants, creating a vibrant yet peaceful atmosphere. The color palette includes earthy browns of the wood, deep greens of the foliage, and subtle warm lights that enhance the inviting ambience. Lush tropical garden surrounding a modern, sleek glass house. The scene is captured in hyperrealistic style, showcasing vibrant green foliage interspersed with bright orange and yellow flowers. A winding pathway of dark stone slabs leads through the manicured lawn, flanked by polished black rocks, creating a sense of tranquility. Reflections of the greenery can be seen in the large glass panels of the house, which emits a warm, inviting glow from the interior. A tranquil indoor garden pathway, showcasing a blend of modern and natural aesthetics reminiscent of Impressionist art. The scene features sleek wooden flooring juxtaposed with smooth, gray stepping stones arranged along a pebbled path. Lush greenery surrounds the path, with vibrant tropical plants and ferns creating a lush, serene environment. Two large, rounded stones rest beside the path, adding a natural element. Soft, diffused sunlight filters through large glass windows, casting gentle shadows and highlighting the various shades of green and the earthy tones of the wood. A tranquil indoor garden oasis featuring lush greenery, infused with warm natural light. The scene is designed in a hyperrealistic style, showcasing a spacious room with wooden accents and a minimalistic design. Sunlight filters through a large skylight, illuminating the vibrant plants, including ferns and potted bonsai trees, creating a serene atmosphere. The floor is adorned with smooth stone pathways that meander through the vegetation, complemented by minimalist wooden platforms that house cozy seating areas. A tranquil garden scene featuring a modern architectural structure made of warm wooden panels and sleek black glass, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces. The setting is an inviting courtyard filled with vibrant flowers, predominantly bright orange marigolds and white daisies, contrasting beautifully against the lush greenery. A winding pathway of smooth, flat stones and dark pebbles leads to the glass facade, inviting exploration. The lighting is soft and natural, suggesting an early morning or late afternoon ambience. Interior courtyard of a modern architectural home, featuring an abundance of tropical plants and greenery, showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and contemporary design, emphasizing minimalism and open space. The setting is bathed in natural light, with large glass walls that seamlessly integrate indoor and outdoor areas. The color palette includes warm wooden tones, lush greens, and soft earthy colors. A beautifully designed modern indoor garden space showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and architecture. The scene features a spacious, open-plan area illuminated by soft, natural light streaming through expansive glass windows. Lush greenery fills the space, with vibrant plants and a prominent tree offering a sense of tranquility. The color palette includes earthy tones, deep greens from the foliage, warm browns from wooden elements, and soft grays from stone surfaces. A central wooden dining table surrounded by elegant chairs invites gatherings, while a cozy seating area with plush cushions encourages relaxation. A modern architectural masterpiece set in a tropical landscape, featuring a sleek, two-story house with large glass windows and wooden accents. The scene captures vibrant green lawns, bordered by neatly arranged flower beds filled with pink bougainvillea and lush foliage. A path of gray stone slabs leads toward the entrance, creating a harmonious balance with the surroundings. The background showcases majestic mountains draped in lush greenery, under a bright blue sky with fluffy white clouds. Contemporary tropical villa surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a two-story structure with a terracotta-tiled roof and large glass windows. The setting includes a serene swimming pool reflecting the blue sky, bordered by natural stone tiles and a well-kept lawn. Sunlight filters through the trees, casting dappled shadows on the wooden deck with elegant lounge chairs and potted plants. A modern architectural design featuring a sleek, single-story house surrounded by lush tropical greenery. The facade is a mix of concrete and large glass panels, reflecting a serene integration with nature. The entrance includes a wide wooden deck that leads to a cozy outdoor area, with stylish furniture inviting relaxation. Soft, warm lighting emanates from within, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Vibrant foliage in shades of green, deep reds, and earthy browns encircles the home, while a stone pathway with geometric patterns leads through the landscaped garden.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.